Introducing the next evolution of Skullerz Head Protection, the Skullerz Hard Hat. Our primary goal when developing the Skullerz Hard Hat was to solve two key customer complaints: how to mount a headlamp and how to make it comfortable for a full day's work. Key customer complaint we uncovered while developing the hard hat was how do you mount a headlamp? Today you have to fumble with straps and there's not an easy way. We solved this problem by integrating front and rear headlamp mounts for easy on and off of your headlamp. Skullerz headlamp also doubles as a worksite lamp with built-in magnet. The next biggest complaint we got from workers about their hard hat is they're just not comfortable to wear for a full day's work. We solved this with a number of features built into the Skullerz Hard Hat: a pivoting ratchet for size adjustment, a 4-point suspension with multiple adjustment points, washable, removable, sweat wicking and antimicrobial top pad and sweatband. All these features add up to the most comfortable hard hat you've ever worn, period. We built the Skullerz Hard Hat in 12 different configurations to best fit your job, trade, or task. Available in cap style or full brim if you prefer more protection from the elements, in Class C with adjustable vents, or Class E without vents. All Skullerz Hard Hats are certified to the US and Canadian industry standards, ANSI ICA Z89.1 Type 1 and CSA Z94.1 Type 1. For more information on the Skullerz Hard Hat or the entire Skullerz Head Protection line, visit us online at ergodyne.com.